Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to start multiple choice questions and its answer and explanation based on states of matter. I have reviewed entire chapters, that is a state of matter, so gaseous state, liquid state and solid state. I have reviewed the entire chapters. Now I am going to start multiple choice questions, its answer and explanation. All questions are very important for IIT and Neet exams. Now I am going to discuss questions based on general properties of the three states of matter. General properties of the three states of matter. Now first question I am going to read. Which one of the following statements is not correct about the three states of matter, that is the solid, liquid and gaseous state? First option is given: molecules of solid possesses least energy, whereas those of gas possesses highest energy. Second option is the density of solid is highest, whereas that of gases is lowest. Third option, gases like liquids possesses definite volume. And fourth option, molecules of a solid possesses vibratory motion. Again I am reading the question. Which one of the following statements is not correct about three states of matter, that is the solid, liquid and gaseous? First option, molecules of a solid possesses least energy, whereas those of gas possesses highest energy. Second option, the density of solid is highest, whereas that of gases is lowest. Third, gases like liquids possesses definite volumes. And D, last option, molecules of a solid possesses vibratory motion. Now we have to tell which one of the statement is not correct about the three states of matter. Just to think. After that I will tell the answer and explanation. Its correct answer is correct option is gases like liquids possesses definite volume. This is actually this answer is third option. You have to tell which statement is not correct. Then here all are correct except option C, gases like liquids possesses definite volumes. Okay, here you can see that molecules of a solid possesses least energy, where those of gas possesses highest energy. That is the correct. And second, density of solid is highest. The density of solid is highest, whereas that of gases is lowest. This is also correct. Third option, gases like liquids possesses definite volume. This is actually not correct. Not correct, and this is the only answer. And because fourth option, molecules of a solid possesses vibratory motion. This is also correct. And option C. Option C is a correct answer. Actually, explanation I already given. Gases do not have any definite volume, you know. Gases do not have any definite volume. Their volume is equal to the volume of container. Now, second question I am reading. The temperature and pressure at which ice, liquid, water and water vapor can exist together are: first option 0 degree centigrade, 1 atmospheric pressure; second 2 degree centigrade, 4.7 atm; third 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm; and fourth option -2 degree centigrade, 4.7 mm pressure. Which one is correct? You have to answer. Again, I am reading the question. The temperature and pressure at which ice, liquid, water and water vapor can exist together. Again, you listen. Ice, liquid water and water vapor can exist together. What is the temperature and pressure? Option is given. First 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. Second option 2 degree centigrade and 4.7 atmospheric pressure. Third option 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure. And last option is -2 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure. Just you think. Actually, keep pen and paper with you. Then it will be easy to solve the questions. Now just to think. After that, I will give answer and explanation. See, actually its correct answer is 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure. 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure. At this temperature and pressure, liquid ice is solid, liquid water and water vapor can exist together. In phase rule, you will study these things, that this is the condition at this temperature. Temperature is 0 degree centigrade and pressure is 4.7 mm. If you will maintain these two conditions, then ice, liquid water and water vapor can exist together. Okay, directly you can answer this. The three phases, that is ice is solid. The three phases of water can exist at 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure. Means three phases means solid, liquid and gas. That is a vapor pressure, a vapor, water vapor, like gas only. Then this is actually condition. You remember 0 degree centigrade and 4.7 mm pressure you have to maintain. Now next question I am reading. Which of the following is true about gaseous state? First option is thermal energy is equal to molecular attraction. Second, thermal energy is far greater than molecular attraction. Third, thermal energy is very less than molecular attraction. And fourth, molecular forces is far greater than liquids. Again I am reading question. Listen carefully. Which of the following is true about gaseous state? First option, thermal energy is equal to molecular attraction. Second, thermal energy is far greater than molecular attraction. Third, thermal energy is very less than molecular attraction. And fourth, molecular forces is very far than liquids. Okay, just you think. After that, I will give answer and explanation. Its correct answer is option B. Thermal energy is far greater than molecular attraction. Question is, which one of the following is true about the gaseous state? Gaseous. Then second option, thermal energy is far greater than molecular attraction. This is the correct answer. Okay. And this you should know that for gases, thermal energy is greater than molecular attraction, because gas are free to move. Correct? If attraction is less only, then it will move here and there. Then option B is correct. Thermal energy. If thermal energy is there, it means motion will be more. Gas will move faster. Then thermal energy is far greater than molecular attraction. Now next question I am reading. Question number 4. Kinetic energy of molecule is highest in first option gases, second option solids, third option liquids, fourth option solutions. Again I am reading the question. Kinetic energy of molecule is highest in first option gases, second option solids, third option liquids, fourth option solutions. Just to think, I think you can answer very easily. Okay, I will tell the answer. What you think at least? Option A is correct. Kinetic energy of gases is highest among three. Correct? Gas has highest kinetic energy among solid, liquid and solution. Okay, correct answer is gases, option 1, first option. This is the actually characteristics in real sense. Gases have highest kinetic energy because of greatest freedom of motion. Now questions based on measurable properties of gases. Mass means mass, volume, pressure and temperature. Now I am going to discuss measurable properties of gases, means which you can measure, as for example mass, volume, pressure and temperature. Actually these are called measurable properties: mass, volume, pressure and temperature. Then now I am going to discuss questions based on measurable properties of gases. Question number 5 I am reading. A volume of 1 cubic meter is equal to first option 1000 cubic centimeter, second option 100 cubic centimeter, third 10 decimeter, 10 cubic decimeter, and fourth 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter, cc. Cubic centimeter means cc. Now, just to think again one more time, I am reading the question. A volume of 1 cubic meter is equal to, first option, 1000 cubic centimeter, second, 100 cubic centimeter, third, 10 cubic decimeter, and fourth, 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. Just to think, this also you can answer. You think in a proper way, you can tell. Think, after that I will tell the answer and explanation. Now it's a correct answer. Its correct answer is 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. How? Then just you know all the things that meter means what? 100 centimeter. Then cubic meter cube means 100 into 100 into 100. 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then here 1 cubic meter means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter means 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. This is the correct. Direct relation is also there. 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 centimeter power 3, that is the 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. Now next question I am reading. Which one of the following is not a unit of pressure? Which one of the following is not a unit of pressure? First option, Newton. Second option, Torr. Third option, Pascal. Fourth option, bar. Again I am reading one more time question. You listen carefully. Which one of the following is not a unit of pressure? First option, Newton. Second, Torr. Third, Pascal. Fourth, bar. This question directly you can answer. Already I have reviewed the entire chapter. Now you can answer very easily. Think. After that I will give the answer. Its correct answer is A, Newton. Newton is not the unit of pressure. All three are unit of pressure. Torr, Pascal, bar, all are the unit of pressure. Newton is the unit of force. Correct? That you know, Newton is the unit of force. Next question, question number 7, I am going to discuss. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Means not correct. First option, barometer is used for measurement of pressure of gas. Second option, rise through 1 degree is same as rise through 1 degree Kelvin. Third, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth, no gas can exist at 0 Kelvin. Again I am reading the question. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect. Then first option is barometer is used for measurement of pressure of gas. Second, rise through 1 degree centigrade is same as rise through 1 degree Kelvin. Third, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth, no gas can exist at 0 Kelvin. Just you think. This question also you can answer. Now just to think, after that I will answer. Its a correct answer is option 1 only. Barometer is used for measurement of pressure of gas. This is actually statement is incorrect. This is not correct statement. Answer is only A. You can't measure the pressure of the gas by barometer. Okay. Other three are correct. Rise through 1 degree centigrade is same as rise through 1 degree Kelvin. Freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. That is also correct. And fourth one, no gas can exit at 0 Kelvin. That is also correct. Then which one is incorrect? First option. Barometer is used for measurement of pressure of gas. That is incorrect. Actually, manometer and not barometer is used. Manometer is used for the gas. Okay, not the barometer. Manometer and not barometer is used for the measurement of pressure of a gas. Okay. Now, next question I am reading. Question number 8. 1 degree centigrade rise in temperature is equal to rise of first option 1 degree Fahrenheit, second option 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit, third option 5 by 9 degree Fahrenheit, and fourth option 33 degree Fahrenheit. Again one more time question I am reading. 1 degree rise in temperature is equal to a rise of first option 1 degree Fahrenheit, second option 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit, third option 5 by 9 degree Fahrenheit, fourth option 33 degree Fahrenheit. Just to think, direct answer is there you can give. Just to think, after that I will give answer. Its correct answer is 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. You remember, 1 degree centigrade is equal to 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. And also you can understand that 1000 Celsius means degree centigrade, 100 Celsius degree is equal to 180 Fahrenheit degree. Remember, 100 Celsius degree is equal to 180 Fahrenheit degree. Then for 1 degree rise of temperature, 180 divided by 100 means 1 0 and 0 will cancel. Then 18 by 10 means 9 by 5 degree rise. Direct relation, remember, 1 degree rise is equal to 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit, and main relation is that 100 degree centigrade or Celsius degree, 100 Celsius degree is equal to 180 Fahrenheit degree. You remember. Then for 1 degree how much? 180 divided by 100 means 18 by 10 means 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit rise. Then second option is correct. 1 degree rise in temperature is equal to a rise of 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. Next question I am reading. Which of the following relation for expressing volume of a sample is not correct? Not correct. First option 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 ml. Second, 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Third, 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic meter. Fourth, 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic centimeter. Again I am reading the question. Listen carefully. Which of the following relations for expressing volume of a sample is not correct? Not correct. Then first option 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 ml. Second, 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Third, 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic meter. Fourth, 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic centimeter. You have to tell which of the following relation for expressing volume of a sample is not correct. You have to think. After that, I will tell the correct answer. It is easy. Direct relation is there. Its correct answer is option third. 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic meter. Actually, this relation is not correct. Answer is C. But what is given? 1 L is equal to liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic meter. That is not correct. Answer is C. All three are correct. A, B and D is correct. Means 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 ml. You know 1000 cc or 1000 cc and ml both are equal. Then 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 ml. Means 10 to the power 3 cc. That is correct. Second, 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. This is also correct. And 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic centimeter. This is also correct. And third option, 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 cubic meter. It is not correct. Answer is C. Now next question I am reading. Question number 10. The temperature at which Celsius and Fahrenheit scales give the same reading is: first option 0 degree centigrade, second option 32 degree Fahrenheit, third option minus 40 degree centigrade, fourth option 40 degree centigrade. This is a very important question. Many times it is asked in examination. Again I am reading the question. Question number 10. The temperature at which Celsius and Fahrenheit scales give the same reading is: first option 0 degree centigrade, second option 32 degree Fahrenheit, third option minus 40 degree centigrade, fourth option 40 degree centigrade. Just to think, this is direct answer. Its correct option is C, minus 40 degree centigrade. At minus 40 degree centigrade, Celsius and Fahrenheit scales gives the same reading. Okay. Now explanation I am telling you. Degree centigrade, 1 degree centigrade means, or its relation I am telling you, degree centigrade is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. This is the main relation. Degree centigrade is equal to 5 by 9 in bracket F minus 32 Fahrenheit. Correct? F minus 32. Then X is equal to 5 by 9 X minus 32. Correct? X degree, suppose at X degree it becomes equal. Then just to calculate the value of X. Then here, because reading should in degree centigrade and Fahrenheit, that should show same reading. Then in the place of F, X you write. For degree centigrade also you write X. Then X is equal to 5 by 9 in bracket X minus 32. This is a starting point, because question is in question it is there that temperature at which Celsius and Fahrenheit scales give the same reading. Then same reading means X you consider. Then here degree centigrade is equal to 5 by 9 in bracket F minus 32. Then in the place of degree and F, X you write. Then X is equal to 5 by 9 in bracket x minus 32. After that you just simplify it. Simplification you do, then you will get these things. 4x is equal to minus 160 you will get. Then x is equal to minus 40 degree. Minus 40 degree. And the answer is option C only. Next question, question number 11. One atmosphere is numerically equal to approximately, first option, 10 to the power 6 dyne per centimeter square. Second, 10 to the power 2 dyne per centimeter square. Third, 10 to the power 4 dynes per centimeter square. And fourth, 10 to the power 8 dynes per centimeter square. This is the direct relation you can answer. Just to think. Again, one more time I am reading the question. One atmosphere is, here one atmosphere means pressure you can consider, atmospheric pressure. One atmospheric pressure is numerically equal to approximately, first option, 10 to the power 6 dynes per centimeter square. Second, 10 to the power 2 dynes per centimeter square. Third, 10 to the power 4 dynes per centimeter square. Fourth, 10 to the power 8 dynes per centimeter square. Just to think. Its correct answer is first option only, 10 to the power 6 dynes per centimeter square. Okay. And you should remember, this is actually relation. 1 atm means 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 10 to the power 6 dynes per centimeter square. Now I am going to discuss some questions based on Boyle's law, Charles' law, and absolute scale of temperature. Then now question number 12 I am reading. Now onward question will be based on Boyle's law, Charles' law, and absolute scale of temperature. Question I am reading. Question number 12. Which one of the following plot will be parabola at constant temperature? Parabola. First, P versus 1 upon V. Second, PV versus P. Third option, V versus P. And fourth option, none of these. Again I am reading the question. Which one of the following plot will be a parabola at constant temperature? First option, P versus 1 upon V. P means pressure, V means volume. Second option, PV versus P. Third option, V versus P. Fourth option, none of these. Just to think, this relation, remember, you have to remember this nature of graph. Okay, then you can answer directly. You think, after that I will answer. Here correct answer is option C, volume, V versus P, volume versus pressure at constant T. Volume versus pressure at constant T temperature. This will give parabola. Parabola, okay, at constant temperature. V nature of graph will be, plot will be of V versus P. V versus P at constant temperature is a parabola because PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant. Now next question I am reading. Question number 13. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them because first option, density of air is high at the altitude. Second, density of air is low at the altitudes. Third, air is less pure at the altitudes. And fourth, air contains no oxygen at the altitude. Altitude means high, remember. Again I am reading the question. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them because first option, density of air is high at the altitudes. Second, density of air is low at the altitudes. Third, air is less pure at the altitudes. Fourth, air contains no oxygen at the altitude. It is very easy. Just you can answer within 5 seconds. Think. Its correct answer is option B. Option B is correct. Density of air is low at altitudes. Already know this is very easy. Less oxygen is available at altitude because density of air is low. Now next question. Question number 14. A gas at 298 Kelvin is shifted from a vessel of 250 cubic centimeter capacity to that of 1 liter capacity. The pressure of the gas will first becomes double, second becomes 4 times, third decrease to half of the original value, fourth decrease to 1/4 of original value. Again I am reading the question. Question number 14. A gas at 298 Kelvin is shifted from a vessel of 250 cc capacity to that of 1 liter capacity. The pressure of the gas will be, first option becomes double, second becomes 4 times, third decreases to half of the original value, fourth decreases to 1/4 of the original value. Pressure means what I discussed or related to pressure means pressure will become double or 4 times or half of the original, and last option is 1/4 of the original value. Just to think and answer. This you have to apply your mind a little. You can solve very easily. Just to think. Its correct option is D. Decreases to 1/4 of original value. Here you can solve it. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. That formula I can use. Then first volume V1 is 250 and volume V2 is 1000 and original pressure was P1 and later on pressure you have to calculate P2. Suppose it is P2. Then now this pressure actually you have to compare. First pressure you consider P1. In the beginning that time volume was 250 cc. Now final volume is 1000 and pressure suppose it is P2. Then P2 upon P1 is equal to what? Easily you can calculate. That is a 1/4. P2 upon P1 means 250 divided by 1000 means 1/4. And say P2 is equal to what? 1/4 of P1 means original. Now next question I am discussing. Question number 15. If a V0 is the volume of a given mass of gas at 273 K at a constant pressure, then according to Charles' law, the volume at 10 degrees centigrade will be, first option 10 V0, second 1/273 in bracket V0 plus 10. Third, V0 plus 10 upon 273. Fourth option, 283 divided by 273 into V0. V0 is up always. Okay, just to think again, I am reading one more time question. If V0 is the volume of a given mass of gas at a 273 Kelvin at constant pressure, then according to the Charles law, the volume at 10 degree centigrade will be. First answer is given, first option 10 V0. Second, 1 upon 273 in bracket upside V0 plus 10. Third, V0 plus 10 upon 273. Fourth, 283 divided by 273 into V0. Keep pen and paper, then you can solve it faster. Now think. After that, I will give explanation. Its correct option is D. Correct option is D. 283 divided by 273 into V0. V0 is upside. How? Now I am telling you. Actually, you have to just formula you have to use. Vt is equal to V0 plus V0 divided by 273 into T. This is the formula. Correct? Charles law. Vt is equal to V0 plus V0 divided by 273 into T. T is upside. Means you have to multiply by T. Then at Vt means here 10 degree centigrade. 10 degree centigrade means V 10 degree you can write in the place of Vt, V 10 degree centigrade. That is equal to V0 plus. Now this volume is 10 V0 according to the question. V0 is the volume of a given mass of a gas at 273 Kelvin at a pressure, at a constant pressure. Then according to the Charles law, the volume at G 10 degree centigrade you have to calculate. Then here this temperature is given 10 degree centigrade. Then 10 degree centigrade means what? 273 plus T, 283. 283. Then here just in formula you put the value. Vt means V volume at 10 degree C is equal to V0. V0 plus temperature is 10 degree centigrade. Then 10 V0. Correct? Because in formula V0 upon 273 into T. Then into T is the 10. Then upside it becomes 10B, down 273. Then after that, what you will do? That you can solve it. V0, take it as a common. Then we will get 1 plus 10 upon 273. Then 1 plus 10 upon 273. After solving, you will get 283 divided by 273. Because 1 plus 10 upon 273. Then 270 you can take LCM, then 273 plus 10, 283 divided by 273. Outside already V0 is there. And correct option is D. Now today I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Many questions are there. I will discuss. Thank you.